Welcome, doctors. I hope you are feeling very well. In this video, we will teach you step by step how to send a case of passive or active retainers to Titan Lab for printing. Let's get started. First, start by creating a new patient in the Titan Dental Design software. Once created, select the button that says Active Retainers or Passive Retainers, depending on the patient's needs. In this case, I will choose Passive Retainers, but the procedure is the same for Active Retainers. Upon clicking, a new window will open where you will need to upload the necessary files, such as dental scans of the maxilla or mandible as required. Make sure the files are clear and complete. Now, let's move on to setting up the details of the retainer. Here you have several options that you will adjust according to the patient's needs. At the location, you can choose if the plan will be made and printed in Titan. Additionally, enable the option to review and approve the lab schedule before printing if you wish. In retainer material, you can choose between several types. By default, the laboratory recommends a thickness of 0.30 for active retainers and 0.40 for passive retainers, since the latter require greater strength. You can also select the BRX option if the patient grinds his teeth. Then choose the teeth that should be covered by the retainer, whether in the upper arch, lower arch, or both. Configure how many retainers you need, depending on what the patient requires. In this case, since we are configuring passive retainers, the section to adjust dental movements does not appear, since its main function is to maintain the teeth in their current position. However, if you were setting up active retainers, this section would allow you to make adjustments, such as reducing residual gaps or making small movements to improve the patient's smile. Titan allows you to add options such as bite ramps, Pontics, attachment removal, and more if necessary. If you wish, you can also request that the printed model be sent to you along with the physical aligner. Finally, please leave any comments or additional instructions that you consider important. Once all the settings are ready, click Submit to Lab. By doing so, a window will appear with the payment or invoice details of the case. You will need to complete this process so the case can continue. If you enable the option to review and approve the lab schedule before printing, the case will appear on the schedule in queued status. From there, you will be able to review and approve the planning made by the laboratory before printing proceeds. If you did not activate this option, the case will appear directly in the printing table, going through the different states until the retainers are delivered to the doctor's office. And that's it. By following these steps, you can send passive or active retainer cases to Titan Lab quickly and efficiently. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment or contact Titan support. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to our channel. In the next video, we will explain how to send a complete case to Titan Lab. Don't miss it. Thank you very much for watching.